Oh man. So I'm about to work and I just realized my hair is a hot mess from Jiu-Jitsu. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix this real quick and we're gonna make it healthier while we're fixing it and we're gonna look good doing it. How's that? All right, so first things first is brush those bad boys out. It's not gonna look pretty. You'll probably lose a whole bunch of hair, but it's okay. You know what? You don't need them anyways. Okay, so once I'm all brushed out, I'm not even gonna look at the hair that was like ripped out of my head knowingly during Jiu-Jitsu. Okay, all brushed out. I hope you can't hear how dry my hair is right now. Okay, all brushed out. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not like a brand person. You can do whatever you want. Where's my other one? There's 2 different brands that I use, which are like, one's a spray conditioner, one's a cream conditioner. You can do whatever you want. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best, but I like the cream one, which you're supposed to use after a shower, like when your hair is wet, but I feel like this really works when my hair is like super frizzy just after Jiu-Jitsu. So I'm just gonna put a good amount of conditioner in my hair. I'm just gonna brush it through. And because I'm planning to put this up pretty much for the rest of the day, I'm also gonna put a little bit more extra. More extra. Good job, Amanda. I'm gonna put a little bit more than I normally would, just like getting out of the shower, right? Because my hair is clean, but you know, Jiu-Jitsu kind of messes with it. So you don't really want to do too much on the tops. It's like the bottoms that gets stuck under people, right? So I'm gonna do one more of those. I know, I'm putting so much in. There's so many people that are like, oh, what are you doing? Okay, so getting this all entirely through. It doesn't have to be like, you know, soaking wet. I do like the one that has coconut oil in it because I feel like it doesn't get sticky. You know, like there's some leave-in conditioners. It makes your hair, like, it'll condition it, but it also like makes it less manageable. So when you try to go brush it through after that, it's like almost impossible. So this brand that I use, like I said, it just has like coconut oil, whatever your brand is that you want to use. I just use the generic one. So I'm just gonna make sure this is like entirely through my hair. And we're just gonna leave this in until we take a shower, like, you know, tomorrow. All right. So once that's done, I'm just gonna braid it nice and quick. Okay. Oh, I found my other one. So this one's good for after you get out of the shower when your hair is still wet. Because like I said, it like makes your hair a little bit sticky. So that one's like good for my daughter who's got like super curly hair. But for my hair, which is like a little bit straighter, like kind of wavy, the regular like leave-in conditioner is just fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do from here. I want to be do my little fancy side part. Okay. No, you're not gonna paint your nails, baby. Thank you. I know. We can do it later. Oh, your sister's calling you. Go see her. Okay, so what I'm gonna do once I part my hair, and look at how nice and like it's smooth. There's no flyaways right now. Like once this goes up, this is gonna be amazing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, just to make it a little bit fancier, I'm just gonna take this front, I don't know, quarter section, right? So all I did was just kind of like, I went back about 1 inch and then I just made a part with my finger and then kept all of this stuff. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing going on the other side. So about 1 inch back, all the way down to like right behind my ear. See that? And the rest I'm gonna gather into a ponytail. My kids are playing hide and seek right now, if you can hear them. Okay, so this ponytail I'm just gonna do in the back like that. And usually, you know, on the one hand, it's like, this is just for like fashion, right? So like this is really unnecessary, but also I feel like, I don't know if you can see my hair, but this is like still super flyaway. It's healthy where the root is, right? Which is a good thing. But then once you get down to like midsection, then oh my God, at the bottom, it gets kind of frizzy because of jujitsu, right? So I'm gonna use more leave-in conditioner in just this little section. Oh yeah. Okay, so nice and smooth. So this is just gonna be like a little mini braid, and it's just gonna make my ponytail a little bit more fancy. Okay, and then we're just gonna start a French braid. I'm not gonna go too far into detail on this because I hope you already know how to French braid, and if not, you can go see my other videos. Okay, so split into 3, and then you can do either the, what do you call it? The top or the bottom braid, right? Inside or outside, French or Dutch, whatever you want to call it, yeah. Yeah, so this is gonna help keep our hair nice and healthy. And sure, you have a lot of leave-in conditioner, but your hair goes through a lot. Like, you gotta give it some grace. This is also, you can use this not only for like after jujitsu, but during jujitsu too. This little like side braid thing. You do have to be like a little bit more cognizant of like the main part, which we tied into a ponytail not that long ago in the back, just because that part will fall out, but at least you'll have the front part braided and kind of like out of the way so it won't be falling in your eyes or getting caught under elbows and whatever else. So I'm doing this braid kind of fast just because I'm about to go to a session. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put my 2 little elastic bands in it. Look at that, it already looks healthier. Might just be me. Okay, other side. So this smart little part already has the conditioner in it. And we're just gonna do the same thing that we did on the other side. We just moved into a new house, so my kids are still in that like, oh my God, this is so exciting. Let's go hang in this room. It's like very exciting for them. Also, there's a backyard that's like fenced in, so I don't have to worry about them like, I don't know, drowning in a lake like we did in the last one. I mean, you know, lake access was cool, but it was like, I almost feel like it was like wasted on me. Like I'm not really a lake person, you know, especially with kids. Like if anything, I'm one of those people that I want to like row a kayak or a canoe or something, you know. I want to be active on the water. I'm not like a person that wants to just like kind of sit and veg. Plus, I really don't like lake muck, like that silty bottom stuff from, I don't even know. What's that from? I always thought it was from like dead leaves, but there's no leaves, like trees that have leaves that surround the lake, so I'm not really sure what it's from. Just imagine dead stuff. All right, and then once you're done braiding this as far down as you want to go, bloop, tie that bad boy off. Okay, and then you have a few different options here, right? So I can just take these and I can just gather it back with my ponytail, right? And to do that, you can do a bun, which is what I'm gonna do. Or if you want to do super fancy, you can do extra braids. But like I said, I'm not gonna do that right now. So I'm just gonna gather this back. Okay. And I'm just gonna put one last little gloop of my leave-in conditioner in the ponytail. Okay, brush it through. Okay, and then once I'm done there, I'm just gonna put it back into a bun. So I'm twisting it, not super tight, and then I'm just gonna put it into a bun. If I'm not doing anything too crazy, I'm just gonna do a little clip to hold it, just because I hate tying my hair back all the time, right? Or you could do an elastic, whichever one you want. But we're done. So this is our hairstyle today. Like I said, this is like a good post-jiu-jitsu hairstyle. It still is up out of your face, and then while you're working, doing whatever it is that you want, it's being treated by your leave-in conditioner. So I hope this was enjoyable, and I hope you learned something. Leave a comment on any of the different types of products that you personally like to use for leave-in conditioners. I'd love to try them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.